This series on the Garden Gurus, we're opening up the Gardener's Toolbox filled with solutions and ideas to solve your garden problems. Today it's all about the soil, which is the foundation of your garden. And these chooks certainly know all about that. They love to scratch around in it and they love to enrich it too and make it stronger, because their chook poo is an excellent fertiliser. And we've got three different chooks here. We've got the black ones, the brown one, and the white ones. Dynamic Lifter is a trusty gardener's favourite that we've been using for years with excellent results. Throwing it around the garden and onto the soil is a quick and easy way to get the goodness in. Composted chook manure, fish meal, blood and bone and seaweed, it's all in there, folks, in a pellet that slowly releases into the soil. Oh, beautiful. Another great way to get your plants going is when planting. Mix some into the planting hole soil before you plant. The roots will quickly get their hands on the goodness and your plants will be powering.